Alright guys, hi! Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't posted a video in a while and I'm so sorry, but you guys know already. I literally woke up at 6 a.m. this morning and something didn't sit right with me. I just couldn't go back to sleep because I had so many thoughts on my mind with how YouTube is and how life is, and like wanted to bring oh, my boyfriend done got me sick. But how things are now on YouTube. So I just wanted to take things back, do a regular chit chat, get ready with me. And then I have so many other things that I am planning on bringing back because I miss the old YouTube where you sit at home, drink hot chocolate, and we're just like communicating, talking, and you're actually watching a program that you are enjoying, that you can relate to. So yeah, I just wanted to bring YouTube back. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so for this get ready with me, this is also my new fall everyday look and everyday routine because I use a lot more to prime my skin and to moisturize my skin now that we're going into the drier seasons. And I do live in Pittsburgh now, so the air here is super dry and it gets colder here than it does in Maryland. So the first thing I'm gonna do is tone my face, and I like toning my face before I put makeup on because it just helps balance my skin so it doesn't get too dry or too oily. And I use a Nars toner, which is this toner, and I just use that all over my skin. I feel like I owe you guys a full face of makeup because I haven't done one in a while. But girl, look at these edges. It's also great to tone your face because it does take excess dirt off of your face. To moisturize my face right now, I'm going to use Clinique, the Moisture Surge. It's this little thing, it's a sample, but I usually use Clinique already, or I'll use a Nars moisturizer. But I just feel like using Clinique right now because I love the way it feels on my skin. My mirror is literally all the way down here and I need it to be like... Let me go look for a stack of books. Oh, I found something. So I feel like, and you guys can comment if you agree or disagree, I really want to know where you guys are coming from, but I feel like YouTube used to be kind of regular social media where everyone came to you on such a real level and no one was above thou and everyone was just normal and we were just talking and connecting with other people through a camera and just living our lives. But now it's kind of like, I have no idea what happened or if you guys caught anything that I said, but I'm just gonna repeat myself because my camera just went to sleep. And why the sleeping, I don't know, but here we are doing it again. In my crease, I used this shade. To deepen, I used this purple shade, and I'm going all over with these two shades combined for here. But I would never do like a prank on somebody on my channel, like those stupid, I just don't think those pranks are legit. And then people having babies or getting together just for a couple channels is ridiculous to me. The reason YouTube like grew so much was because people liked the fact that people were being real, and that isn't happening anymore. So I feel like it's low-key getting a little saturated with BS, and I honestly just miss things like story times and hauls and all of that. But where they at? I want to see it. I gotta film it. I don't know, but if I want to see it, I guess I'm gonna have to do that on my channel because those are things that I like doing, but I also enjoy watching. I also still love enjoying mukbang. I'm sorry, I love watching mukbang. I will still watch mukbangs. It just makes me crave seafood. I can't talk when I'm doing my liner either. But fall and winter are my favorite seasons because of all of the holidays approaching, but also the type of videos you could make. This is my favorite mascara. This is the Climax Mascara by Nars. If you have not tried it, you need to try it because if you don't have any lashes, you're gonna have lashes. I don't have any lashes and I didn't even put that much on, but they coat my lashes really freaking well. But you can stop here if you don't really want to put lashes on, but y'all know me. I wouldn't be me if I didn't put a little lash. Liberty, 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 liberty. Don't know why that was in my head either. But I can't wait because tomorrow after... Oh, I'm off tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the dollar store in Walmart, okay? And I'm going to get me, not Halloween decorations, but Christmas decorations, okay? Listen, okay? hear me out. And I'm gonna like decorate my place for Christmas. I know it's before Thanksgiving, but I'm a busy girl, okay? And I'm really obsessed with Christmas. Y'all already know. When you're putting your lashes on, make sure that you let the glue dry a little bit so it gets tacky, and then you have more control with putting your lashes on. Let me zoom you guys in. Put the middle down first. Connect it to the end. Go and connect it to the front. And that's literally how you put lashes on. You're welcome. One thing that I do really miss about being in Maryland is the fact that I'm away from my family. I really do miss my family. I think about them all the time. I am only 4 hours away, so I can drive up like a weekend and see them. Sometimes it's just too much work. Like, dang. Can y'all come over here? Oh, let me tell you guys a story of something that happened to me, okay? So I had this lady who was not of African American descent whatsoever. And she came up to me and told me, she was like, clock me, why do black people wear wigs? And I said, because we want to. And then she tells me, well, she thinks that I would look better with my natural hair and to cut my natural hair or to straighten my natural hair. When I tell you I never wanted to fight somebody so much in my life, but she was a much older lady, so I couldn't do it. I couldn't. It just would have been really disrespectful. So I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. But I wanted to. I so wanted to. Like, why does it bother anyone what I choose to do with my hair? Wherever you're from, everybody wears wigs, weaves, extensions. No one, it's not by race anymore. It's not just one race that wears it. It's literally everyone wears it. Dang, I would never, oh, I was so mad. But you know when someone tries you and you, like, it's so unexpected that, like, you can't really come back for them because you really, and then you're like, man, I wish I would have said. That's how I feel right now. That's probably why I was up so early. So now I'm using the Nars concealer in medium dark, and that's Amande again, and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. I'm literally squatting on my living room floor with all this mess behind me. Well, in front of me. Who cares? It's here. But like this video if you really want me to like start going back to the old videos. And comment down below what is your worst video that's on YouTube right now. What's the worst type of video that you guys have seen? Because to me, my worst was the pranks on YouTube. That's what really like annoyed the crap out of me. Pranks, and then the couple channels that people did that you clearly like knew that was fake. I'm going in with my setting powder from Mercier, and this is their translucent powder. I honestly love this powder. If you've never tried, girl, you need to try. One powder that I really do miss is the Patrick Star powder from MAC. That lasted me a year, and I loved that powder so much. But what I'm doing is pressing this into the skin and not putting as much product on so I don't have to set it. But I'm pressing it into the skin so it really does hold and keep that concealer in place, girlfriend. I'm really hungry, and I was gonna make a tuna fish sandwich. I don't feel like eating a tuna fish sandwich though. But tuna fish sandwiches, they be hitting low key. High key, they be hitting. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. You guys also want to hear something? So you know how when you say y'all, cause y'all don't really know. Do you know that Pittsburgh people from Pittsburgh say yins? Like, can y'all go to the store? They're like, can yins go to the store? And you're like, you say y'all because you're from the South. Maryland is not considered the South, boo. Still to contour, I'm using the Loreal Infallable Longwear Shaping Stick in Espresso. And I get a little brush and I use that to kind of carve out my cheeks here. And my edges are already taking up my forehead space, so I don't really have to contour my forehead that much, but I do like to contour my nose. Where's her nose? Non-existent. So there's some old heads on YouTube that I still watch. Not old heads, but like originals that I still watch. Not really, just like, I don't know. I've just been really irritated by YouTube lately. And don't get me wrong, like social media, I like social media. I ain't obsessed with it, but I do love social media. Cause when I was younger, I always liked taking pictures anyway. But I was watching this comedy special on Netflix with Dion. I forgot his name, but he's on Blackish. And he said a lot of the depression and suicide rate is going up because of what people portray on social media. And like their life is perfect, their bodies are perfect, and everything is perfect. And I just want to be the first person to say, listen, I may post my pictures and my life on Instagram, but in no way, shape, or form is my life perfect. I have struggles, I have insecurities, I have if I'm going on a trip, I saved up for that trip. If I'm doing something or bought something of mine, I saved up for it. But I just want people to know that yeah, I'm on social media and I have a following. However, I want you guys to know from the bottom of my heart, I'm as real as y'all. Like none of the things that I do in my lifestyle is no way, shape, or form perfect at all. Like my life is not perfect, and I don't want it to portray on social media as if it is. So if you follow me on Instagram and you follow me on here, I just want you to know that if you're ever feeling down and you feel like, dang, like this person on social media is living their best life and they're always having this and they're always having this and they're always having that and they can go on that trip, and why isn't that happening for me? Like, why don't I have that body? Why don't I look like this? Why can't I have this? I just want you guys to know that you honestly, one, have to love yourself, and two, don't ever compare yourself to anybody on social media, because no one is gonna post the bad things that happen to them. I mean, I'm emotional, so sometimes you be getting the hints on my stories, but nobody posts the bad things that happen to them. They only post the good, you know. Just for instance, take a look at your friends, the friends that you have. You know their personal business. You know they're going through it. But not all of social media knows that. You see that they're posting like, me and my girlfriends hanging out. Like, I want you to know that it's not, everything is not what it seems. And get it from me, I'm as real as it gets. I'm not gonna post everything bad on social media. I do have good time. In my good times, I will post. But when I am going through something, I like to take moments to myself, because I'm a human, I'm normal, and I go through things just like everyone else. So please know that I have insecurities with my body. I have insecurities with my life. I have insecurities, and it's okay to have them as long as you're working on them and that you still love yourself at the end of the day and you keep going. So I just want to put that out there for anyone who needs to hear this. Sometimes it is hard for me to film a video, but I do think of you guys and I'm like, let me post this, because I know like the people that watch my videos would appreciate me posting, and it gives me motivation to post a video, post more. I can't talk either when I'm doing my bottom lashes. It's like a thing. Sorry. I'm gonna dust the excess powder. And real quick, I just want you guys to know, if you want me to show you guys how I do my edges, like I'll have a video if you guys want to see. I can make a video for you guys if you want. And I got this hair from Miss Beauty Hair. I like working with them because their hair is literally so good. And they're mad affordable. I'm gonna set my contoured area where I bronze my face a bit with, I can't even see it, NW58 powder. I've had this for years. I don't even remember the last time I went to MAC to purchase this. Like, for my everyday blush, I love using the Patrick Star Take Me Home blush, and I believe it's limited edition because they don't have it anymore. Yeah, they don't have it anymore. I'm sorry, but I'm sure MAC has these colors separately because this is from MAC. And I honestly don't use that much blush because I'm black. Alright, and for my favorite highlighter, it's gonna be Me, Money, and Hustler Baby. You guys know back in the day when I did a giveaway on this, like it's hitting the pan now, but I like this because it honestly looks like the glow is coming in within my skin, and it's just like melts in my skin and it's beautiful. Ooh, my phone died. You know what show I've been obsessed with over lately? It's called Ghosted. Like, if you were dating or something, this video is gonna take forever to upload. It's gonna be long. But if you ghosted somebody and you didn't really give them a reason as to why you did, you go on that show. At first I thought it was like a bootleg catfish, but it's kind of actually pretty funny. I think that's enough. Put a little on my chin because I have a very short chin, like so. But I like to put it on my chin so my chin can look a little bit more defined and longer because my face is more of a circle. Not that your girl be eating chicken wings. And I came to Pittsburgh and the food, so every time I order something, I just go and get chicken wings, because how you mess up chicken wings? Don't wake me up because I'm in love with all that you are. Alright, so I'm going to line my lips with the Nars Precision Liner in Spunk. And on no funniness, I'm literally obsessed with salads. I don't know why. I still like chicken. I still like, you know, regular food. But Chick-fil-A salads? Hey! Chick-fil-A salads, pa. Hey! Too sweet. They're too sweet. They're too sweet. Too sweet. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A salads are bomb. Have you ever had a salad hit when you're hungry? Have you? Try Chick-fil-A. Tell them I sent you. They wouldn't know who you're talking about, but tell them I sent you. Try a Chick-fil-A salad. Like, if you're watching this in the morning, evening, night, just, if you watch it on Sunday, wait till Monday, but go. I'm going in with Swing, and this is a Nars Velvet Lip Glide. I like this because it stays on, and it is so soft. All right, I'm gonna spray my face and do my hair, and I'll be back with the outro. Alright guys, I am back. I just did a couple of like little curl waves things to my hair just so I can look a little decent. But either way, I just want to let you guys know that I am getting sick and tired of content on YouTube. Not my content, but like, and not everyone's content, but just the YouTubers who aren't really, who are taking YouTube in a bad space, and I kind of don't like that. So I'm just gonna go back to doing like stuff that I like to watch on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching this Get Ready With Me and me talk and me chat about things that I just had to talk about and had to chat about, and half of them were pointless, but you know, at least you stayed, and you stayed till the end, so I guess what you get. A thank you, and I love you so much. I just want to say thank you guys so much for 10,000. Like, that is still crazy to me. So thank you so much for getting me to 10,000 and sharing my videos and commenting and talking about my videos. Like, I honestly love you guys so much, and I don't know where I'd be or what I'd do without you guys, and that's me speaking the truth in all honesty. But I want you guys to remember that you are beautiful. What you see on social media isn't always the case, and I want you to be secure with yourselves. I want you to love yourselves, and I want you to understand that just like you, I have things that I go through in life, and sometimes that's why I don't post. Most times that's why I don't post, and also it's because I'm just trying to get my stuff together, my life together. But I promise to always shoot videos for you guys. I promise I will always update you guys on everything, and I don't know, I just love you guys so much. And that is it. Thank you for staying this long on this long Get Ready With Me / chit-chat / updated fall makeup look / I'm tired of YouTube content, not mine. Stick with mine. And I will link the website for this hair down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you beauties later. Bye.